Putting a GameStop gift card on the Gamestop application is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Make sure you have the latest version of the Gamestop app installed on your mobile device. You can download it from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. If you don't have a GameStop account, you will need to create one. If you already have an account, sign in using your credentials. Open the GameStop app and look for the section related to your account or profile. This may be labeled as Wallet or something similar. Within your account section, there should be an option to add or manage gift cards. Choose this option. Enter the required information from your GameStop gift card. This typically includes the gift card number and PIN. You can find this information on the physical card or in the email if it's an e-gift card. Review the information to ensure accuracy. Once verified, confirm the addition of the gift card to your GameStop account. After adding the gift card, you may want to check the card balance to ensure it reflects the correct amount.